Here I've got Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, and let me show you how to activate camera timer on the following device. So at first let's open the camera app, then find and select the timer icon right here, and now you can pick 2, 5 or 10 seconds. Let me start with 10 seconds delay, and just click on the photo icon, wait a couple of seconds, exactly 10 seconds, and afterwards the picture will be taken. And that's it. You can also grab a photo with 2 seconds delay or 5 seconds delay, so let me try 2 seconds, and it's working exactly the same way. To switch the timer off, just click on the timer icon again and select off. And now, as you can see, the picture is taken right after your click. So this is it. That will be all. So you can activate and use camera timer in your Samsung. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.